The number of versions of Vietnamese spring rolls is increasing as their fame spreads around the world. I'll show you how to make lemongrass beef spring rolls. Here are the ingredients for 12 spring rolls. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by cooking 200 grams of rice noodles in boiling water for 5 minutes. Drain them. Rinse them with cold water. Give some scissors cuts and let them drain. Blanch 150 grams of bean sprouts in boiling water for 15 seconds. Drain them. Rinse them with cold water and let them drain. For the meat marinade, cut 400 grams of beef in thin slices. Put them in a bowl. Cut an onion into chunks. Mince 2 lemongrass. Peel 2 garlic cloves. Finely blend the lemongrass and the garlic. Put them with the beef. Then add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix all together. Add the onion. Mix again. Let marinate while preparing the other ingredients. To prepare the carrot pickles, grate a carrot. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of white rice vinegar. Mix and let marinate. Cut into chunks. Half a cucumber. One quarter of salad. 15 grams of cilantro. Detach the mint leaves. Crush 50 grams of roasted peanuts. Preheat the pan on high heat. When the pan is very hot, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, put the beef. Leave it 15 seconds without stirring. Then stir for 1 minute and a half. All the ingredients are ready. We can now make the rolls. Fill a large bowl with very hot water from the tap. Dip a rice paper in the water. Put it on the board. Add some rice noodles, some salad, some bean sprouts, some cucumber, some carrot pickles, some mint leaves, some cilantro, some lemongrass beef, flap to both sides towards the center. Both sides must be straight and parallel. Roll by keeping the ingredients inside and tightening until the end. By tightening well, the spring rolls are well filled and have a good hold. Keep them under a dry cloth to prevent them from drying out. Before eating, each guest adds some crushed peanuts in his dipping sauce bowl. Enjoy as soon as the rolls are ready. Bon appétit! The lemongrass beef is perfect for garnishing spring rolls. All the fragrances and textures mix. The spices, the vegetables, the herbs. Some will feel like enjoying a revisited boboon. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.